रैट माइनर्स एक्सपर्ट्स जो हैं बड़ा मुश्किल काम जो कर रहे हैं, बड़ी एंक्लोज स्पेस में कर रहे हैं कि 10 मीटर मैनुअल 24 घंटे से कम में उन्होंने अचीव किया है. दिस इज समथिंग ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एज इफ अ मशीन हैज बीन वर्किंग.
Hello everyone. Amazing and thank God. Finally, 41 human lives were saved. India's Silkyara Uttarakhand tunnel incident, where 41 workers were trapped since 17 days, are finally rescued. This incident teaches us an interesting and very amazing point. American high-powered OGOR machine failed. Vertical drilling procedure failed. Horizontal drilling failed. When heavy machinery broke down, finally, rat hole miners, the manual procedure rescued 41 human lives within 24 hours. In this complex data economics world, human intelligence will be always a winner and a significant factor in business. It means in between manual and automation, manual approach and evergreen procedure. Similarly, come to machine learning application, model test, a human intelligence approach, a very significant area. Probably the next gen business demand. Model testing. Yes, model testing. And yes, model testing. Thank you for watching us.